This is the plug of the power cord. The other is the data cable interface. Insert the power cord. Then connect the USB connector to the computer. Turn on the emergency stop and laser calming buttons. Wait for the machine to warm up after turning on. The laser switch stops flashing, indicating that the preheating is complete. Open the marking software. The user will receive a USB drive, which contains marking software and tutorial files, and several model diagrams which can be used for testing. After opening the software, first click on Physical Home. This is the switch for triggering the limit. Below is the lower limit, and the top is the origin. After receiving the machine, the laser will stay in the middle position, so click on Physical 0 to trigger the laser to the origin upwards. It will stop. Then put the auxiliary workbench on it. Click the inner carving in the menu bar and enter the interface. Here represents opening and saving files respectively. Adjust the left menu bar. Next, find the laser focus. Click here. Change the pulse width from 20 to 1. Place the metal business card on the work plane. Turn on the laser. There is no focus now. Move the business card under the laser. Click up and down to find the laser focus. When the light is the brightest and the loudest sound, that's the laser focus. Turn off the laser switch. Be careful not to touch the lower limit of the laser. Otherwise, the engraving will fail. At this time, you can adjust the height of the workbench. Twist up and down to adjust the height of the plane. After finding the focus, click here to set it to 0 point. Click Confirm. Next, import the carving file. Open the STL model. Here we choose to carve a cat. At this time, the cat is larger than the yellow box. The yellow box represents the size of the crystal. We adjusted it. Set the crystal size to 50 by 50 millimeters. X, Y, and Z represent the values of length, width, and height. Click here to unlock. You can set the height, length, and width values separately. Then adjust the size of the cat. Here shows the height of the cat model is 59 millimeters. Click here to scale. You can quickly shrink it with the scrolling wheel or enter a specific value. Here we set it to 30 millimeters. You can choose to center it up, down, left, and right. There is a 3-dimensional view window at the top. Hold the left mouse button and drag to rotate the view. If you choose to center, the cat will be in the middle of this crystal cube. If you want to offset the position, such as the pattern being lowered, you can select the Z-axis value and use the mouse wheel to adjust quickly. Here we choose to center it. Here we set 30 and 45 parameters to compensate. Here, 0.06 represents the density of dots. The smaller the value, the denser the dots. The denser the dots, the longer it takes. Here we set it to 0.05. Finally, modify the power parameters. Speed 500, frequency 30, pulse width 10. Click here to generate slices. The file on the right represents the pattern is divided into. The pattern will be carved layer by layer. Place the crystal on the workbench. Click the red light to preview first. At this time, the lens will rise. Take out a piece of paper. Click Start Carving. The carving is done. If you want to carve again, select all the files on the right and click to engrave again. When done, click Save. File suffix format LCP. Close the software. After the machine is used, turn off the sedative laser and emergency stop buttons.